Hi, I figured out how to connect properly the CM4 board to the case, so I'm going to present how I achieve this goal. So first of all, what we are going to do, we are going to slowly present our solution. Here we go. We have a CM4 board and we have this. We have brass standoff spacers. And I am using a M2.5 6 plus 6, exactly this one, the first one, this. So these are the smallest ones. So what I did, and of course did, and I just put these 1, 2, 3, and 4. You can see at the bottom of this case. Lovely. And we are going to mount it inside our case. So as you can see, now I am putting this inside the board and it fits perfectly. Lovely. So now what I really need, there are some things, and I need screws and the screwdriver to just correctly mount it inside the case. So just give me a second and I'm going to do that. So the first screw, this one, really small, yeah, this, and I will try to do it correctly. I just need a little bit of patience, and I will put this into this, and I will use a screwdriver to properly. Lovely. And I need one more, so I will do it quickly, and this way we will achieve our goal. So give me a second, and I did this. Here we go, and you can see this is it. Not too hard, but this should be enough. Okay, next should go here. So every time when you mount something like this, so if you will put one screw here, you need to put on the cross, right? So if the first screw goes here, then the second should go here. So remember about this. If you will ever try to mount something like that, I need a little more patience, so I need to wait a little bit longer. And try to figure it out. It will be easier for me. Like that. Lovely. And I'm going to mount it. Excellent. Not too hard. Lovely. And two more. So this one. Go here. Yeah. And this one. They are very small and they are not black, but silver one. I'm talking about the color. So yeah. Have to be very careful. And now the board is properly mounted. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4 screws, so everything is correct. And now it fits perfectly, so I can connect the power. But before I will do this, and if you want to actually correctly flush the eMMC drive, that is exactly in this model, in this CM4 computer module, because I have eMMC storage on this compute module. What you have to do, actually, you need to connect the jumper and on the board. So if you are wondering which jumper it is, actually we have those three, 1, 2, 3 slots, and there you have information that quick jumper to disable eMMC boot. The first one, those two first, those two. You can see, and I will try to provide you a link to the browser, and just give me a second. And here we go. You can see this exactly here. It is located. You can see this, and yeah, this. So you need a jumper, or if you don't have it, you can have something. You can also pop any kind of conductor between the two pins, like a female to female jumper, and you can connect it with this. And after that, what you need to do, you need to micro USB to USB cable to power to connect to your computer, and a power adapter that I already presented in the previous video. And after that, what you need to do, you need to properly install in Linux or Mac libUSB or libUSB -1.0. -0 and also you have a video here from Jeff Gerling, and this is his website, and I really recommend this guy because he's fantastic. This guy is one of the best, actually, if we are talking about Raspberry Pi. So I really recommend him. I am watching him very often. I subscribe to his channel, and I really think that this guy is someone who is really experienced in this area. So I really recommend to watch this video, because in this video you will exactly see how everything is done correctly, and Jeff explains it pretty good. So that's how it's done. And I'm going to flash now the eMMC, so I will present it later how I will do that, and you will be able to see how I'm flashing the CM4 compute module and with the CM4 board, and we will go through this process together. I will use Linux because I'm a Linux specialist, so this is my favorite option to make it work, and I hope it will work. So that's the way how I will do it. Thank you very much, and have a nice day or night. Take care. Bye bye.